Hello everyone, this is Jason McComb with Engineering 267, and this is my Labview project consisting of a function generator and an oscilloscope. Function generator on the bottom and the oscilloscope with an FFT on the top. Let's just go through this function generator real quick. You have 5 different waveforms that you can do: DC, sine, square, sawtooth, or a triangle. Change up the frequency with this dial over here and change the amplitude with this dial. Change the offset. You also have the capability to add noise if you want to, Gaussian, and change the standard deviation. You also have uniform noise and change up the noise amplitude over here. Put none for now. Change the line width. And on the left here you have different indicators showing the frequency, amplitude, the mean, min, and max. And going up to the oscilloscope, you have triggering capabilities. This button over here, seconds per division, change up right there. Voltage division, change up with that, with the FFT, and you can change the scale right here. Right to the oscilloscope, and you also have different indicators showing the RMS, peak to peak, and frequency with that one. There's also a capability to write this information to a Excel file. And that's about it. Thanks.